What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today will be the 26th feeding, and I will be taking that middle tray out to see about harvesting the castings. Let's hop in. So there's the orange peel. And the banana. So for this feeding, we're getting some potato peels, the blended or the pulp from the juicer, and it looks like this one has a little bit more carrots in it. Going ahead and adding some grit. And then covering this up. This was that honeycomb kind of paper, honeycombed cardboard. Okay, yeah, so it's cool. So I'll show in another video what I'm doing with these guys, but I'm just going to take this level out and then you'll see that in another video. Looks like we got one guy that came on down. Oh, there's two. Looks like another one over here. So that's kind of neat, getting that harvest tray out now. I think we'll definitely see a lot more action down this way. And then it'll allow these next few feedings to actually start getting this nice and moist. Go with a little worm chow. Yeah, so very excited getting to finally harvest these castings. And like I said, this will be today's 26th feeding. That tower was created about a week and a half prior, so it's actually been going for about 27 weeks. But yeah, very happy. So if you guys have any questions about the Vermihut Plus worm tower system, don't forget dropping down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.